fire burns across the land, shadows stretch so wide. Sam Griffin's demons march again, and there's nowhere to hide. My sister wields a silver blade, she fights with fearless grace. But all I hold is melodies, no armor to embrace. I scream into the howling wind, but no one hears my call. A song is just a whisper when the sky begins to fall. I am a caged bird singing to the storm, wings bound in silence, aching to be more. If I could turn my sorrow into steel and flame, I'd break these bars and rise again. I watch the banners tattered, torn, the echoes shake the ground. Phoebe rides into the fray, and I can't make a sound. They say the words can move the stars, but can they stop a blaze, or mend the wounds of broken hearts, or keep the dark at bay? I scream into the howling wind, but no one hears my call. A song is just a whisper when the sky begins to fall. I am a caged bird singing to the storm, wings bound in silence, aching to be more. If I could turn my sorrow into steel and flame, I'd break these bars and rise again. But wait, what if my voice is stronger than I know? What if my song could shake the heavens, strike the final blow? A melody of fire, a chorus forged in light. I won't just stand here weeping while she bleeds into the night. I was a caged bird singing to the storm. Now I spread